Hi everyone, in this video I'll guide you through configuring a parameter on your cloud controller and ensuring the changes are reflected on your OpenWiFi client. Then we'll go in details of how OpenWiFi client handles the configure messages. Throughout the video I may refer the cloud controller as the server and OpenWiFi client as the client. So let's get started. Step 1 is to connect your server, that is your cloud controller, with your client, that is your Open Wi-Fi client. As you can see, currently it is showing disconnected here, and when we go on the client we can connect it using this command. We have explained each parameter of this command already in our previous video and also the step-by-step process of connecting them. So if you have any doubt in connecting them, you can refer to our previous video. Also, when you run this command, wait for some times till you get the configuration applied. As you can see here, the server is showing connected. Now let's check for the configure parameter. When you move your cursor to the configure icon here, you can click on the current configuration, and this is the current configuration that is applied on your client right now. For example, let's check the value of this parameter. I have opened the same terminal here. When we open the value of this, the current value has been 60. That's the exact same value that has been set up on the server. So let's now change the value to anything like 55 or something. When you click on the save here, the loading icon will appear. You have to wait till the loading icon disappears and a success prompt appears. This may take a while, so you have to wait till then. Yes, as you can see, the success prompt has been appeared here with the new configuration is now deploying to the device. When you click here, we'll check the value again. The value has been changed to 55, the value we have set on the server. Hence, you have configured the value through cloud controller on your OpenWiFi client. Now, we'll see how the OpenWiFi client processes the configuration message. The OpenWiFi gateway service, where the cloud controller is running, communicates with the uSender client through WebSockets. The OpenWiFi service sends a JSON payload to the uCentral binary. The configure handle function processes the configuration by first passing the data and storing it in this file. Next, it invokes the uCentral.uc script, which utilizes this data to proceed further with the configuration process. The schema reader module then validates this data. Once validated, the renderer module converts the data into UCI batch format and stores it in the shadow file. Finally, the service handle commits the changes to all the relevant UCI files and reload the necessary service and applies the updated configuration. Thank you. Router Architects is a firmware to cloud software development house which help ISPs build AI-driven Wi-Fi router solution using open source. Make sure to like, subscribe and share the video.